Welcome to my October KDP income report, where I'll be showing you through my full self-publishing business. We are in Q4, which is the most exciting period of the year, so watch this full video to see how it went for me. Just before we get into the video, make sure that you are subscribed to my free weekly newsletter that I do send out each Sunday. It is your guide to the world of passive income. I give you insights into my KDP business and other digital businesses that I run. So you get tips, strategies, interviews, exclusive discounts, and so much more. And to sign up, you can find the link in the description. So for the month of October, I made $3,266.92, which is a slight decrease from the previous month. However, I would say in terms of the daily sales, it was a lot more consistent than the previous month. I would say this Q4, I just haven't got around to publishing as many books as I wanted. I have been quite busy building up other income streams. I did actually manage to publish 3 activity books towards the back end of the month, but for the month of November, I will focus on creating 4 to 8 books. These include coloring books, activity books, and 1 higher content book. Now, taking a look at my daily sales, the highest day of the month was actually the 17th of October, where I made $152.83, and the lowest day of the month was October the 15th, where I only made $71.61. And looking back just over a year ago during the same month, I made $1,241.53. And my highest day then was October the 13th, where I earned $64.67, which is much lower than my lowest day this year. So it just shows you how far you can come in a year. So if we take a look at some of my best-selling books during the month of October, first we have a logbook which brought me $927.91. Second, we have an activity book grossing me over $700. Third, we've got another activity book which made me $433.90. Fourth, we have a quiz book that made me $404.83. Fifth, we have another activity book grossing me $164.55. And then sixth and seventh, we've got coloring books, and one grossed me $93.98, whilst the other grossed me $80.24. So with this, it's good to see some diversity within your portfolio of books. Activity books do very well for me, but I've also got coloring books, quiz books, and log books that do well also. So don't limit yourself to only creating one type of book. I do have various videos of my channel showing you how to create different types of books. Now, I do run ads on all of my books, and especially this month, I have seen a much higher ACOS than usual. But because it is Q4, I have allowed a lot of my ads to spend much more to ensure that some of my new books can start ranking well. And in the UK, I spent over £570, which gave me an ACOS of 33.4%, and I had over 1,600 in sales. Whilst in the US, I spent much less, nearly $150, but this gave me a higher ACOS of 35.81% and sales of $416.46. And then finally, in the Canadian market, I spent $2.10, and I didn't get any sales from this market. So tallying up the numbers, my income came to $3,266.92. My expenses, which included ads, and I'm based in the UK, so I am charged an extra 20% VAT on any ad spend in that market. And then my subscriptions include ChatGPT Pro, Canva, Creative Fabrica, Midjourney, and Leonardo. So my expenses came to $1,110.81, which gave me a net profit of $2,156.11. So thanks for watching another video. Let me know how the month of October went for you and what plans you have going forward.